Hello guys, कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope you guys are doing well. I am back with another video. I know after ages, but here I am, and I hope you guys are doing well as well. I am super excited for today's video because it is gonna be a really interesting and fun video. And why it is fun is because I am planning a surprise wedding shower party for my friends who are getting married this year. So it is for two of our friends, so I hope they will enjoy this as well. It is gonna be a surprise, of course, for them. I have noted mostly everything that we need to do for this party. But before I start sharing anything with you guys, I just wanted to share an invite that I have created for this particular party. So I'll try to pop it right up here. And it turned out to be very cute. Like just जितने लोगों को भी मैंने ये invite भेजा था, most of them were like, oh wow, it is so cute. So I am proud of myself for that. It is looking nice. I hope the party and the decor will also look the same. Now it's 4:30 right now, and the party time we have decided is 8 o'clock. So I'll show you guys in a bit. Like right now it's complete mess, so I just have to start ASAP. But before that, I wanted to start this video. Actually, I wanted to start the video in the morning, but we were busy collecting all the things and like whatever we need for today's party. So that's what we have been doing. So both of my friends जिनके लिए हम ये party कर रहे हैं, both of them like plants and flowers in general. So I was thinking if we can do anything with that sort, like in terms of decor. So I have a mood board in my head. Of course I got the inspiration from Pinterest and YouTube पे भी मैंने एक video देखा था. I will try to link that in the description box if you guys are interested in watching. तो थोड़ी थोड़ी हर जगह से inspiration लेके we have something in head. Of course we wanted to do something with the fresh flowers, and we have so many flowers for that. How pretty this looks. Yeah, it looks really pretty, and of course nothing can beat like fresh flower decor. I hope they will like it, and so that is the mood board. Second thing is like I'm trying a couple of things which is like new to me that I have never tried. One of them is charcuterie board. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. For that actually you need like different types of cheese and stuff mainly, but I think most of my friends will not be interested in trying like different types of cheese. So we have swapped like few things with something that we like, and I will try to insert an inspiration picture here as well. That's what we are trying to create. Let's see हम कितने हद तक उसको कर पाते हैं, but that's what we have in plan. And the third and important thing is food, of course. So we are having pav bhaji for dinner. We have ordered it outside, so खाने का टेंशन हमको बिल्कुल नहीं है. So yeah, I think that is basically it जो मुझे आपको अभी अपडेट देना था. So that is the plan. Now let's get started. So this is our living room, and we're gonna use this whole space for today's party. As you can see, I still have Diwali decor on my wall, so I will have to remove all of those and then start getting prepared. So for the flower arrangements, like I had two options. Either I can stick the flowers on the wall, or I can hang them from the ceiling. And I was confused like what should I do, but then I think I'm thinking of sticking it to the walls, because जब हम pictures click करेंगे then it's gonna look nice when it's on the wall, because फिर वो blank walls अच्छी नहीं लगेंगी. So first of all I need to clean the space and make like a huge space, because we are around 15 people. So I will have to make like a bigger space so that at least we can enjoy and sit and play and whatever we can do. After that we will start with the decor. I will see you in a while. Bye. we have decided to make flower bunch like this, and उसके लिए हमने दोनों flowers साथ में करके उस पे we have tied this bow, which is looking nice, I guess. After that, this is how we're gonna stick it to the wall. We will have to cover entire wall using this one. This wall is looking good so far. Now this one.
2,000 years later.
So this is how it is looking. It is looking pretty, I guess, but still a lot of mess. So now we are thinking कि ये वाले टेबल पे हम सारा कुछ खाने का अरेंजमेंट करेंगे. So now we are clearing it and TV हमने वहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर दिया है. So we are covering it with pink tablecloth because I think pink is our theme. By the way, we have another helping hand. Hi Khushi. Khushi is laughing. Why? Because ये हम तीसरी बार टेक ले रहे हैं. Okay, bye. See you in a bit. देबू ने अच्छा काम नहीं किया है. पैसे काट दिए जाएंगे इसके देबू. So this is what we have managed to do. ये ज़्यादा कुछ कवर कर नहीं रहा है, but I think it is better than what it was. And यहाँ पे we are preparing this glass. It says I do crew. So we have found some really cute stuff. Just look at this glass. And look at these napkins. It is so pretty. It says she said yes. And the credit goes to Khushi. Thank you. This is what we have managed to do so far. I think it is looking nice. And this one. We have made this small kind of board. Thanks to Khushi again. This one is a little bit transparent, but I mean nothing we can do about it. So here we are putting candles and this is the showstopper. We still need to put the mocktail and we are preparing the mocktail here. There you go. Hello boys.
हेलो.
एक मिनट.
That's the evidence. मैं लाइन रेडी कर दी थी सर. जो चीटिंग कर रहा है आपको जो लगा दो. आपको नहीं ये लाइन तो नहीं लगता, तो ये तो गा दो. Bro, symbol of love.
Symbol of love.
Symbol of love.
Oh, that's what you are thinking of writing?
Telepathy, you know? Something similar.
Oh, something similar. So what is this discussion about? I will let you know. So we are planning to gift this frame to them. And यहाँ पे हम सब personalized message लिखेंगे for both of them. So that's what these guys are fighting कि कौन क्या लिखेगा.
Yes. GJs.
Taste test, taste test, taste test.
Thanks.
Taste test.
GJs.
Sorry.
How is it?
वो मस्त.
We are still finalizing the mocktail.
वो पीते सब तो नहीं बटे.
Good people, no cocktails.
Mocktails.
મસ્ત છે રસના જેવું.
Nice. રસના જેવું.
રસના જેવું તો પથારી ફેરી.
જરાય ક્લોઝ નથી રસ. જરાય ક્લોઝ નથી રસનાના.
મેં મારા તો રસના આવું જ બનતું.
It is nice.
Actually માં too good છે. Too good છે.
Khushi, can you please do a taste test?
Sure. It's nice.
It's nice.
રસના જેવું તો નથી.
Okay, no rasna jo, okay? So this is nice. Thanks to you. This is what our charcuterie board looks like. We have some cookies, fruits, chocolate, and this two cheese. So this one is I think cranberry, and I'm not sure about this one. So I think it is looking pretty. So there is one more tray we are preparing with fruits. And what is this, Nilu?
So
A
this is
chutney?
how we do.
Strawberry.
Oh, so this is chocolate syrup. Oh my god.
It goes good with that.
And the credit goes to these two people
No.
and these three.
Three?
Three. You. So they're dipping the strawberries in chocolate. Okay. And you guys are making heart?
More.
Okay. And this is what our heart looks like. pretty. So this is the setup जिस पे सब लोग अपने messages लिखेंगे. And then we have guests coming. Congratulations in celebration. આટલું જ આવડે છે, આગળ નહીં આવડતું. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations. One, two, three. Congratulations! विदाई सॉन्ग. बाबुल की दुआएं लेती जा.
तुझको सुखी संसार मिले.
Now we are going downstairs for champagne. One, two, three, cheers! Okay, so how was it?
It
Did
was
you like
good.
it?
It was amazing. It was mesmerizing.
Okay, groom part, come here. Okay, so how was the surprise?
કઈ ભાષામાં બોલવાનું છે?
Hindi, English. How was the surprise?
અતિ સુંદર,
Ati sundar.
અતિ પ્રિય, ફેન્ટાસ્ટિક,
If you have
અમેઝિંગ.
any event managing,
No, 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 no.
please contact us.
પ્લીઝ ફોલો લાઈક એન્ડ સબસ્ક્રાઇબ.
યા પ્લીઝ કમેન્ટ. એ ભાઈ જે કર્યું તું આ બાંધકામ, આમાં ઉપરથી જે નીચે ફૂલ લબડે છે, નીચેથી જે ઉપર ફૂલ લબડે છે, એ એક નંબર છે. એમાં પછી તમે પેલા
આજુબાજુમાં જે તમે સફેદ કલરના જીપ્સીના
અને નીચે પેલું એસ્થેટિક રિબિન બાંધી છે, જે અમારી સ્કૂલમાં પેલી છોકરીઓ પાછળ બાંધીને આવતી હતી બોટ આવી જેવી, એવી રિબિન સરસ લાગે છે, અતિ સુંદર.
Thank you. I'm happy that you guys liked it. Good night. Bye.
આવજો, લાઈક કરજો, કમેન્ટ કરજો અને આપણે સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરજો અને બેલ આઇકન પર બનાવવાનું, બેલ આઇકનની ચાપ દબાવવાનું ના ભૂલતા. તમે ના ભૂલતા.
Aujo. Bye. I feel like after party is better than party.
Yeah, that's true. Bye bye. See you.
Bye.
Sayonara.
See you. Bye. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And I will see you guys super soon with my new video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon. Good night.